How to stop WhatsApp background activity on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Scroll down and go to Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or a mobile network in the background. If you want to turn off any app from here, then locate the app from the list and turn off the switch as shown. For example, WhatsApp. You can repeat this to turn off the other apps as well. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. Following these steps, you can easily stop WhatsApp background activity on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.